Welcome to our video series on MyIllumina. We're glad you've joined us. MyIllumina was developed with your business in mind. It's a self-service, robust e-commerce platform that unifies your online business with Illumina, providing order management, real-time instrument and lab management, self-service support tools, and more. Purchase quote from the cart page and quick cart. Purchasing a quote and adding it to a cart is a quick, simple process, whether it's from the cart page or quick cart. To begin, log into your MyIllumina account. Once logged in, click on the My Cart icon in the upper right of your screen. When the cart appears, you'll notice a field near the bottom that indicates where you can enter a quote number and add it directly to your cart. To do this, you'll need your quote number. As a reminder, you can see a list of your active quotes and numbers from the Quotes tab within MyIllumina. After entering your quote number in the field, select Add to Cart to add the quote. Alternatively, you can purchase a quote from the Quick Cart functionality by populating the Have a Quote section with the quote number and select the Add to Cart button. By electing to purchase a quote, products from the quote will be displayed in the cart. To purchase additional products, simply add products to the cart, and the quote and additional products will be displayed in separate sections. Purchasing quotes from the order management page. Purchasing a quote directly from the order management page can be accomplished in a few ways. To begin, log into your MyIllumina account. Next, click the Order Management tab from the navigation bar. This will bring up the order management page. Scroll down to Recent Quotes. You'll notice a quote number field in the upper right. You can add your quote number in the field and click Add to Cart. As a reminder, you can see a list of your active, used, and expired quotes and their numbers from the Quotes tab in MyIllumina. You can also filter by each as well. Alternatively, you can add a quote by populating the quote number field on the Quotes tab. Click the Quotes tab in the upper navigation bar. Then add your quote number in the quote number field in the upper left and select Add to Cart. Selecting delivery dates. The ability to select delivery dates for your shipments in MyIllumina can help you manage your lab operations by making it convenient to schedule delivery dates that are the most convenient and efficient for your team. To begin, log into your MyIllumina account. Next, click on the My Cart icon in the upper right and select Go to Cart. Once the cart page loads, you'll notice you have 3 delivery options. Earliest available means the product will ship and deliver as soon as it is available. Request specific dates means the product will ship and deliver as soon as possible, but no sooner than the dates selected. You can add your requested delivery date in the field that appears. Notice the earliest delivery date will be indicated. You can also select multiple delivery dates from the page by clicking the Schedule Another link and adjust quantities as needed. Lastly, you can select Single Delivery Day in the Delivery Options area, allowing you to select a single delivery day. Enter the date in the Requested Delivery Date field that appears. Again, note the earliest delivery date will be indicated. Payment options. MyIllumina allows you to select a few different payment options during the checkout process. Let's look at a few and see how to select your options. To begin, log into your MyIllumina account. Next, click on the My Cart icon in the upper right and select Go to Cart. On the cart page, make sure you've finalized your order, including delivery date options, and then select Checkout. Select the blanket purchase order, or credit card as a payment option from the Payment Options drop-down list. Populate the blanket purchase order number or purchase order number in the text field. When selecting Blanket Purchase Order as an option, all active blanket purchase orders associated with your account can be selected from the drop-down, removing the need to manually enter a blanket purchase order number. Alternatively, if you've selected the credit card as the payment option, populate the credit card details. Note that payment options may vary by your location. Credit card payments are currently supported in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. Thank you for watching. If you need further assistance, please reach out to customercare@illumina.com.